with white trim. Abs.
Napaka-importante niya na yun. Na ituin na si Carl James Martin dito sa laban na ito.
So bounce back with a
Natin that this is scheduled for 12 rounds.
yes, fights with 16 knockouts.
This is a bad sign for Charleston that he's too good footwork. See that Carl James Martin opening to expose this one-dimensional attack coming from Charleston Do.
Looking for him to vary his attacks and go.
Tag, ito na nga with jabs, itong katawan. Ayun, ano man natin din, yung left straight Charleston Do.
Right on cue, Carl James Martin going downstairs and giving Charles Tondo something to think about. That's it for 2 here at Battle of Manila.
Check hook.
And both fighters are southpaws.
That's a good body shot. Southpaws.
Yes. You know what? What's
Similar to orthodox of having that stance, but has the speed, has the power, and has the much better footwork.
right?
Martin mula doon sa 1-2 coming from Charleston Do. Ang ginawa ni Carl James Martin, kinasa ni Carl James Martin.
His spots, and that's a good right from
In partner.
And this is a promising sight. It'll be his last fight here in the Philippines as he.
Not to sugarcoat it, but I'm seeing a calculation.
That's a great 1-2 from Martin. Of the round on his back abs. Pagkatapos.
Bring it on,
To
sabi
bring
ni
it on, yes. Napatras doon si Carl James Martin.
somehow showing some evasive.
Both boxers looking in great condition as we see Charles Tondo letting his hands go. Oh, that's right. There's a good right from Carl James Martin. Restoring it on against Martin, who is thin. And it's somehow fired up etong si Charles Tondo.
But still, he's living up to the Tondo name as coming from Carl James Martin.
There again, Martin.
This is a good round for Charles Tondo. Asserted himself in the fight.
Between Carl James Martin and Zania. Ito pong si Carl James Martin with his offense as he
It's only a 1-2, but it's effective.
etong si Carl James forward again.
Si Martin needs to at least vary. Yan. It was helpful. He's not that comfortable pag siya yung nasa receiving end.
Right, Ronnie Baldonado.
Correct.
He got frustrated, he got reckless at some point.
But I just want to see him just put that. He got shocked there.
Yeah, Tondo is getting fired up po itong dalawang Martin and Tondo, and they are Martin, that's another good body shot. Last 10 seconds of this round. And Charles Tondo.
Inviting. He could take the punches of Charles Tondo.
As they may be, they appreciate that. It's Tondo as he in a fight against the Filipino champion. Carl James Martin's offense there.
Nag-iisa ako dito, lalaban ako.
Martin, you can see that look in his eyes. Oh, that's from Charles Tondo.
Martin still king. Ito nga si Charles Tondo. Pace favors Carl James Martin. Charles Tondo.
find his moments dito sa round number 5. And we are headed to who can have the last say. This round number
nice.
5 of the 5th round. 5.
Nice right.
And I think that's going to be round number 6 between Charles Tondo for the WBA Asia Super Bantamweight belt.
So far sa kanya lahat ng significant punches. The corner of Carl James Martin in
Charles Martin on the back pedal. Here comes Carl James Martin. Sagutan ng suntok dito.
felt it. Carl James Martin is back in the game.
And a shot to the body. Another shot to the body. Tinatargetan ni Martin.
Here comes Martin.
And the
I think from the first round.
from the very first round, right?
Seat right now, partner. Martin knows. That's the vulnerability. Martin
And there
goes
you
for
go.
the kill.
He has clearly taken the steering wheel off of Charles Tondo's hands.
And tries to go full throttle here in the 6th round, partner.
Martin driving. Eto po si Charles, 15 seconds.
Martin has 15 seconds left. Less than 15 seconds.
Napapansin mo, nakababa na yung kamay. Net number 7. From Carl James Martin. And kaya kayang i-sustain yun. Number 7. Double jab from Martin and then he goes to the butt.
Or James Martin, he has to sustain that. At least 3 punches to back the Tanzanian.
I-release.
Oh, that's
on that receiving end. But
kasi alam din ni Carl James Martin the only way to hurt.
Tondo now seems to be very fixed.
Carl James Martin has yet to deliver a body shot here in this round.
And here he is again on the ropes.
Ayun, medyo bumato but that's a bit soft. Alam ni Carl James Martin, if he hurts the body, the head will fall.
Right. Oh. And that's a good left straight. Number 8, if someone is full, and Martin begins the...
And Carl James Martin are giving this a hard time, partner.
Charles see the jab. Another one. At bay. But Martin, eto, bumabato na naman sa katawan. He needs to land that. Will keep Carl James Martin. That's a solid left coming from Carl James.
Martin trying to go down again. And he knows the vulnerability is in the midsection.
In fewer of those body shots.
That's a good uppercut there.
Murdo answers right back with his own uppercut.
Last 10 seconds, partner.
Round number 8.
There's a more factor.
Round.
Ang round number 9. Martin.
Martin stalking.
Napapansin mo, parang nag-iba na approach si Carl James Martin here.
Oh, in a big way.
He has a lot of time tapusin ito sa round na to.
Charles Tondo proving to be
That's a good double jab. Oh, that's straight left hand from Carl James Martin.
customer here. in the final minute of round number 9. 1-2 from Martin. We are heading into the final 20 seconds of round 9. Last 10 seconds of the round. Ito na. Biga. Martin has made it a point to start.
Going back to the body again. Parang by a hair lang yung distansya nila.
Martin going back to the body. Ito namang si Tondo going back to his jabs.
Pero partner, kahit sabihin natin,
It somehow stops etong si Martin on his track. Martin misses with the haymaker there. He lands an uppercut.
mo partner, napaka-loyal ni Carl James Martin sa round na ito.
As he has done so earlier in this fight. At bumaba yung mga depensa nitong si Charles Tondo.
Ito yung mga flurry of body shots na yan. This is dangerous. This is a dangerous round. Mapapansin mo medyo niluluwa ni Charles Tondo yung mouth guard niya.
Some punches. Last 10 seconds of the 10th round. Round number 11 is underway. Ito na naman, ni Carl James Martin. Kanina sa round 10, nakita natin sa katawan ni Charles Tondo. Left coming from Martin.
Nasaktan doon si Charles Tondo.
Iniinda niya yung body shot na yon from Carl James Martin.
That Carl James Martin likes round 11. That's where he
Carl James Martin. Charles Tondo, bibilib ka rin dito, ha? Left straight from Martin. Well, although may moments na mukhang bibigay na siya, pero nakakabalik at nakakabalik pa rin.
Kung alam nyo na yung sagot. We're just stating the obvious.
An uppercut from the Filipino champ. Iniluluwa na naman yung kanyang
Mouth guard.
Oh! How his corner's instruction is attacking, binibitawan niya. We have seen more of his body work. Yes, talagang gustong-gusto niyang
Try 6. Na referee yung tinatanggal na ni Tondo yung mouth guard. At least
kumukuha na po ng hangin. Etong si Charles Tondo sa final minute ng round number 12.
pero sa for Charles Tondo to go 12 rounds atin. A good check right hook.
Ito na. The referee called for a break of action. Neutral corner. Ito pong si Martin as uling bahagi na po ng round number 12. Martin trying to play an outburst here. Looking for the finish in the dying seconds of round 12. A heart shown by Charles Tondo, partner.
Asia Super Bantamweight Champion